Home Remedies presents
For strong bones and joints, only 2 ingredients. If you suffer from pain in the spine and joints, be sure to try this homemade natural remedy. Every night before going to bed, apply this homemade balm on the inflamed joint, and in the morning, the pain will subside. Ingredients: garlic 1 bulb, 50 grams, olive oil 100 ml. Directions: peel the garlic cloves, chop the cloves in a jar. Once done, pour 100 ml of olive oil to it and mix. Close the jar with a lid and shake well. Leave it for infusion in a cool, dark place for 14 days. After 14 days, strain the oil with a strainer. Your garlic oil is ready to be used. Apply it on affected joints and bones and then wrap with dressing or cling. You can use this balm for spine, knees, shoulders, etc. It will not have an unpleasant odor on your skin. In the morning, rinse with water.
If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.